let's start with chapter number 5, Hetty Meets Grandfather. This is an extract from book Hetty by Jonna Cypri. Hetty was a little girl who lived in Switzerland. Hetty lived with her aunt, तो अपनी aunt के साथ रहते, इसका नाम डेटी था. और जो Hetty parents were dead, उसके जो मम्मी पापा थे वो नहीं थे. One day, Hetty took Hetty to her grandfather. The old man was known as Uncle Al. और old man को किस नाम से जाना जाता था? Dr. L. Uncle Al. Switzerland is a land of beautiful snow-covered mountains, rivers, and lakes. Hetty's grandfather lived on the top of these mountains in a chalet. ठीक है? Switzerland क्या है? एक land है with beautiful snow-covered mountains, rivers, और lake. और जो उसके grandfather थे, वो top of the mountains पे रहते थे in a chalet. He kept 2 lovely goats and stayed all by himself. He had no time for the people down in the valley. और उसके पास कोई time नहीं था for the people living down the valley. On their way to grandfather's hut, Hetty and Betty met a woman. She called out to Betty and asked, "It is Betty, isn't it? How are you? And who is this little girl with you?" अब उससे पूछती है कि how are you? Betty, कैसी हो? और इस साथ में तुम्हारी little girl है, ये कौन है? Betty said, "This is Hetty, my sister's daughter. I am taking her to her grandfather who lives up this hill. I want him to look after her because I have a new job and won't have." And मैं उनके पास ले जा रही हूँ, उसके grandfather रहते हैं. अब मैं उनसे कहूँगी आप look after करो उसको क्योंकि मेरे काम चल रही जॉब है, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं. The woman was surprised. "What, you accepted the child to stay with Uncle Aram?" She explained, "How can you leave a little child with him? He won't know how to take care of her." कि तुम कैसे छोड़ सकती हो, उनको तो पता नहीं है कैसे क्या करना. Betty told her, "I have done my duty all these years. Now I have the chance of good job and I cannot take Hetty with me. So I will leave her with." अब मैं तो जॉब मिली है और मैं उसे छोड़ नहीं सकती. गुड टाइम है मेरे लिए और अब मैं उसको रख नहीं सकती. Now I will leave her. Betty went on with Hetty. They came to Uncle Alan's house at the top of the mountain. Uncle Alan did not welcome Betty. He was not pleased to see her, but Betty said that she had come to stay anyway. She said to Uncle Alan, "I can take Hetty with me. I have done my duty of my sister said. If you turn now to look after her, after all, she is your son's daughter." कि तुम्हें देखभाल करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि तुम्हारे बेटे की बेटी है. The old man was upset at her remarks. He stood still looking at the ground, but Hetty was quite happy to be left with her grandfather. लेकिन जो Hetty थी वो बहुत खुश थी अपने grandfather के साथ में. She thought it was a beautiful place. She peeped into a shed near the house. She went around the hut to the pear tree. तरकट पेड़ लगे हुए वो उनको देखती है जाके. A strong breeze was blowing through them, and Hetty stood and listened for a while. वो खड़ी होती है सुनने को. Then Hetty walked around the hut. She saw her grandfather sitting on a bench and staring at the ground. She quietly stood before him. और उसके पास खड़ी हो जाती है चुपचाप. Her grandfather looked up. "What do you want to do now?" he asked. "I want to know what you have inside the house." तुम्हारे घर के अंदर क्या है? "Come," said her grandfather as he got up and went into the hut. "Are not you going to bring a bundle of clothes and shoes inside?" क्या तुम ये bundle of clothes और shoes अंदर लेके नहीं आओगे? He asked. Hetty followed him. Hetty shook her head, but grandfather asked her to bring the bundle in and put it into the cart. आप लेके आओ बंडल, उसको कार्गो में रख. As soon as they went inside, Hetty wanted to know where she was going to sleep. अब उससे पूछती अपने grandfather से कि वो कहाँ सोएगी. Wherever you like. तो उसके grandfather कहते हैं जहाँ भी तुम चाहती हो वहाँ सो जाओ. Hetty found a cozy little loft that had a small window and bundles of hay. She mostly patted a huge heap of hay into the bed. उस hay को बेड पे रख देती है. "I will sleep here," he called out her grandfather. "Grandfather, do come and see a bed. It's beautiful, but I need a sheet." इतनी beautiful है. "All right, I'm coming," said grandfather as he climbed the stair. "And here is your sheet," he said, spreading a thick sack on the hay that Hetty was shaped into a bed. और वो उसे किस में चेंज कर देती है? शेप कर देती है बेड. ठीक है? Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.